Understanding the OSI, TCP/IP, and Internet model. Bahumale Mokuno. Purpose of the OSI model. It's been said that the actual purpose of the OSI model is to guide vendors and developers to enable digital communication products and software programs, creating an interoperation and facilitation of a framework describing the main functions of a networking and telecommunication system. The main concept of the OSI is that the process of the communication between two endpoints in a network can be divided into seven distinct groups of relating functions or layers. Each communicating user or program is on a device that can provide those seven layers of function. Layer 7, which is also known as the application layer, enabling users, human or software, to interact with the application or network whenever the user elects to read messages, transfer files, or perform other network related activities. Layer 6, also known as the presentation layer, translates or formats data for the application layer based on the semantics or syntax that the application accepts. Layer 5, the session layer, sets up, coordinates, and terminates conversations between applications. Its services includes authentication and reconnection after an interruption. Layer 4, also known as the transport layer, responsible for transferring data across a network and provides error checking mechanisms and data flow controls. Layer 3, the network layer. Primary function is to move data into and through other networks. Network layer protocols accomplish this by packaging data and correct network address information, selecting the appropriate network routes, and forwarding the packaged data up the stack to the transport layer. Okay. Layer 2, the data link layer. This protocol layer handles the moving of data into and out of a physical link in the network. This layer handles problems that occur in as a result of bit transmission errors. Layer 1, the physical layer, transports data using electrical, mechanical, or procedural interfaces. This layer is responsible for sending computer bits from one device to another along the network. Purpose of the TCP/IP. In the TCP/IP, communication protocols are interconnected within the network devices on the internet and also be used as communication protocols in a private network as an intra or extranet, following a set of rules and procedures commonly referred to as TCP/IP through others that are included in the suite. For starters, the application layer provides applications with standardized data exchange. Its protocol includes hypertext transfer protocols, file transfer protocols, post office protocols, simple mail transfer protocols, and simple network management protocols. Secondly, there's the transport layer. The transport layer is responsible for maintaining end-to-end communications across the network. TCP handles communication between hosts and provides flow control, multiplexing, and reliability. The transport protocol includes TCP and user datagram protocols, UDP, which is sometimes used instead of TCP for special purposes. Network layer, also known as the internet layer, deals with packets and connects independent networks to transport the packets across network boundaries. The network layer protocols are also known as the IP and Internet Control Messaging Protocol, used for error reporting. The internet layer. This layer parallels the functions of the OSI network layer, defining protocols which are responsible for logical transmissions of data over the entire network. The main protocols residing at this layer are IP for Internet Protocol, IPv, IPv4, and IPv6. You have reached the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.